Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you this pop-up screened-in tent from Cobizi. I'll start off by showing you how quick and easy it is to set up. Then I'll go over the details and specs of this tent, followed by a full walk around to give you guys an up-close look at the screened-in pop-up tent so that you can decide if this is something that fits your outdoor needs. So stick around. All right, let's start off by going over the setup process. First thing you want to do is find the strap buckle on top here, unhook that, and then just unroll everything here. Then we're going to spread the tent out. Once you have the tent spread out, find one of the sides and grab the strap and just give it a pull out. And then just continue going around all the corners and finding the straps and just give them a little tug out until you have them all extended. Once your tent looks like this, you're going to find the front, which has the zipper door. We're going to climb inside and press up on the center hub. And at this point, this is how it should look. From here, we want to come inside the tent, find the poles. There should be 2 poles that came with it. And you're going to insert them on each side of the door opening inside these little black slots here, top and bottom. They include stakes and guide ropes as well. So you're going to come around to each corner, find the little brass buckle hole, and install your tent stake. And then if it's really windy, you want to take your guide ropes to each corner here and stretch your guide lines out and secure those to the ground as well to help keep your tent in place. The screened-in tent also includes sides for it to help keep the elements out if it's a rainy day, so that's really nice. It's fastened with these Velcro straps here. So what you need to do is find the top. You're going to lift up on the tab here, place it down, and re-secure it over the top like that, and just go along the whole edge and keep fastening down all the Velcro. And then come around the top here and just keep going around until you have them all secured. And then fasten the Rainfly flap over the top. That way when rain comes onto the top of here, it'll run down over the side instead of inside. And here's an up-close look with the Rainfly sides attached. And that's all there is to setting up your screened-in outdoor tent. Now let me go over the details and specs of this tent. The screened-in tent measures 12 by 12 with an interior height of 90 inches. The canopy is constructed of a waterproof and UV 50 rating made with 210D Oxford polyester. Uses fiberglass reinforced poles with steel hubs. The total weight of the screen-in porch weighs only 26.4 pounds, so it's lightweight. You can take it with you anywhere. And it's spacious enough to accommodate 8 to 10 people. With the included sides for full enclosure, you can keep all the rain and other elements out of the tent so you can still enjoy your day. And the sides attach quickly and easily with the use of Velcro straps. And it uses a fine screen mesh that even keeps out no-see-ums. At the bottoms of the tent, you're going to locate areas that you can fill up with sand for added weight to help secure your tent. Now let's do a full walk around and then we'll take a look inside. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video informational and helpful as well in choosing your next outdoor screened-in tent. The overall setup process was very simple, under 5 minutes to set up, with an additional 5 minutes to install the weatherproof sides. Takedown of the screened-in tent is also very quick and simple. Just do the steps in reverse order. The weight of the screened-in tent is light enough so that you can take it with you anywhere. I see many folks at the campgrounds using this style screened-in tent. They're large enough to place over the top of a picnic table at your campsite to make for a bug-free and dry area for eating. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments section. And if you guys have any experience with this tent, please let us know as well. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.